Here I am on another nature walk. It's just a continuation because something wonderful just walked by, and I'm going to show you. It's a natural part of this park, and it's a Tortuga, which is a turtle. And they are endangered and protected. So here we are, you can see. Again, a very curious Tortuga. And I think that this one is going over to its mate. Who is having lunch, obviously. So thank you for joining me on this Nature Walk Talk. Once again, you never, ever know what you're going to find. The person who's guiding me through this park hasn't seen any Tortugas here. And he's been walking here for many years, and today we have found two. Thanks for joining me on my Nature Walk Talk today.